So in this video, we will be studying about, that is, International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. So in short form, it is called as IBRD. Okay, IBRD means International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. Okay, the main purpose of this bank means, the main objective of this bank is means to provide support in the time of when the countries were facing like a crisis, means certain problems, and when poor people are most adversely affected, means this bank provides support for various countries when it faces like crisis, especially for poor people most adversely affected, means for developing countries. As well as this bank means IBRD finances various projects, means it develop various projects across all sectors and provides like technical support as well as expertise support of various stages of the product. And one more, for this bank also we call as World Bank. Okay, this was a short introduction. In detail we'll study about next. Okay, next, IBRD profile means this bank is also known as World Bank, and the type of bank is international organizations. The main purpose of this focus of this bank is to provide crediting. Okay, next, location means where it has situated, means it has located in Washington. Okay, next, membership means in this bank all or 188 countries have taken memberships. Okay, and the present president of this bank is David Malpass. David Malpass is a present president of this IBRD bank, and this is a website of the bank. Okay, next, introduction about the bank. Okay, so this bank was mainly established in the year 1944 as the original institute of World Bank. Okay, so it was established in the year 1944 as the World Bank. IBRD is a structure like a cooperative, and it is owned operated for the benefit of 188 member countries. Means in this IBRD bank, where other countries like 188 members have taken memberships. The World Bank is also called as international financial institutions, means especially this provides long term capital assistance to developing countries for programs. Means this bank provides long term assistance, means capital assistance. So here capital assistance, what happens means those developing countries can purchase of their convertible of stock and warrants to holding the companies. Okay, next, the World Bank has a goal to reduce poverty. Okay, as well as the World Bank has making to improve or to reduce the poverty all over the countries. Okay, one more, by law all of its decisions must be guided by a commitment, means as well as it has main focusing to promote foreign investments in all the countries, as well as to provide international trade, as well as to facilitate capital investments. The main first is to reduce the poverty of the countries all over the countries, as well as they have taken decisions to promote foreign investments, as well as to develop the international trade, as well as to develop more capital investments. Next, this is a World Bank group, means in World Bank it consists of IBRD. Next, IDA means International Development Association. Next, other organizations they have like IFC, MGI, ICSD. This is for the uh, what are the World Bank group have. Next, what are the functions they have of IBRD? The first function is to assist the reconstruction and development of its member, means the main motive is to develop the countries through once more to reconstruct to reconstruct the countries as well as the development of its members of the country. Okay, means to change the shape of their countries in form of making development, like to develop like foreign investments, to develop more capital investments. These are the first functions. Second function is to promote foreign investments, means uh, second means to develop or to generate foreign means investments through private companies. Next, to promote balanced growth of international trade, means to generate and to promote means to grow the international trade. Next is to bring about to bring a smooth transitions from a war economy to peace time in economy, means to develop a smooth transitions of war where the economy should be in good conditions, means where all the economy should be in peace, means proper way of manner. Next, the IBRD's aim is to reduce poverty, especially in middle income, and to provide credit worthy to the poor countries. How means by promoting sustainable development through providing loans, loan guarantees, reduce the risk management, and to provide advisory service to the developing countries. These are the functions of IBRD. Next comes membership, means how you can the other countries join to take a membership in this IBRD bank. See, all countries which are members of IMF are members of World Bank also. IMF means, I explained in the previous video, means International Monetary Fund, means who are the members of the countries, means they are also the members of World Bank. If any country holding the members of bank must subscribe the charter bank, means ones who are holding the membership of this IBRD, means they should subscribe this charter of the bank. Next, means if any country resign, means if any country leave the membership, means the compulsory they have to pay back all the loans granted to through the interest due to debt. Means if any member of the country leaves or resign this IBRD bank, means immediately they should pay all the loans which they have taken from the banks in the immediate due date. Next, each member of the World Bank has a capital subscription which is similar but not identical with its quote in the fund. Next, the member subscription also measure its voting power, but again similar nations have the slightly voting power. Next comes activities by IBRD, means what all the activities they are performing. The first activities they are perform like to provide basic educations to all over the in the countries, as well as health service to maintain the health of the people. Next comes safety needs, means safety needs they have given to the all peoples. Next, they have developed the infrastructure development. Next, they have protect the environment, as well as they have developed the private sector, and they have provided technical assistance. Next come, this is the organization structure, means who are all there in the IBRD. First comes president. So here first come president. Second comes board of governors are there. Next, board of executive directors. Next comes board committee. In board committee there will be MD, that is managing director, VP, vice president, and financial officers. Next, last comes development committees. Next comes purpose. What are the purpose of this IBRD? Means the first purpose is to provide assistance in bringing smooth transactions in the peaceful economics, means to develop to generate the all over the country's economic in the growth in the peaceful way of manner. Next comes to provide economic development, especially that provide benefits for poor people in developing countries, means to develop the economic development especially for the developing countries like poor countries. Next, in this IBRD loans are provided to developing countries. Okay, loans are provided to developing countries. Why? Means to help and reduce the poverty. The main motto of this IBRD bank is to provide loans especially for the poor countries like developing countries, because to reduce their poverty and to finance investment that contribute to economic growth. Next comes, they have done investment like includes in roads, power plants, in education like schools and irrigation network, as well as activities like in agriculture, like training for teachers, nutrition for the improvement programs of children's, and also for women's. Next, some World Bank loans finance charges in the structure of countries' economics to make more stable and efficient market oriented. Next comes, the World Bank provides also in technical assistance to help governments to make specific sectors like their economic growth more efficient and more relevant to the national goals. Next comes staff. Staff means how many employees are there. At present, there are 15,520 employees over the 160 countries and the World Bank. In that, two-third of it are based in Washington's, while the remaining third area at work in 100 countries. Okay, presently there are 15,520 employees. In that, two-third are based in the headquarter, means in the Washington. In that, remaining are hundreds other countries in the developing world. In that, who are the staff are there, they are like economics, they are educators, like they are scientists, financial analysis managers, this and forestries. It applied skills and banks resource to bridge the economic divide between poor and rich country, to run the rich country into the poor country. Means the main motto of this IBRD means to develop the poor countries and to make them rich country. These are the main motto of this the IBRD. These are the staff. Next comes, what are the biggest challenges till now this IBRD bank has faced. The first one was population growth. This is the main major challenges they have faced by them. This is population growth. Second, global poverty. Next, support to education. Aid means support to education. These are the problems they have faced. Next comes projects in India. Means what are the projects are implemented, what are the projects they have implemented in till now in India. The first project they have started, that is agriculture field develop. Next, infrastructure like power, transport, water facility, urban development, and skills means employment opportunities. These are the projects they have conducted in the India. So this ends about the IBRD.